Hi, this is Tony Kevin with Salire, and we're doing an overview of our new tool set called the New Hire Onboarding Toolset. So a little bit about Salire. We've been around since 2001, focused on the sales leader industry, and everything we do is based on our business to sales framework. It's a methodology we use to help both leaders and salespeople simplify all the complexities and chaos of sales into a simplified business model. And our mission really is to create great tools for sales leaders and help them do their jobs better. So this tool set is what we call the New Hire Onboarding Toolset. And the purpose of this tool really is to help sales leaders document and stay focused on all of the things it takes to get a new account manager up to speed. And a lot of times companies will focus on training, but we lose sight of a lot of the other hundreds of things we have to do. This tool is designed to help leaders populate those things that your company requires and simplify the process between you and your new account manager on how you get all this done. It's built in Microsoft Excel, and we designed it such that you can go in and set it up for your standard categories, and then you save a copy of it for each new hire you bring on board, and then that becomes your tool set that you work with your account manager on to get all the action items completed. The last point we'll make on this slide is we did put in visuals to help both you and the account manager understand the progress that you're at in completing the tool set. So you can see that 64% graphic, and then we also put progress elements on each section of the tool. So the first step of the tool is what we call the setup page. We give you the ability to go in and customize all the people, categories, departments used in your company. You can take the default categories we provide you in the tool, or you can just override them with your own. And then as you type into this screen your own categories, it pre-populates throughout the balance of the tool. So the new hire checklist is the heart of the tool. This is where all the action items are kept for the onboarding process. And all of the categories you see in blue are customizable in that previous setup page. And you can also see as you complete the check boxes in the completed column, it also will keep track of the progress of each section. It will also keep track of the progress of all the sections collectively at the top. And you can see on the left you use Excel's collapse and expand tools for each section, so you don't have to see them all in one view. So you can expand and collapse that as you go through each section of the tool. And then we have our functional directory. We found that it's easier for new hires if we put a functional directory in this tool. And what we mean when we say functional is not everybody in each department, but the ones that they're most likely to work with by department. And of course this is different than your company directory because that has everybody. But a lot of times new hires don't know how to really manage the entire company directory down to that list of people they need to work with. So this is the type of thing you set up once and only edit when there's changes to these people. And it's a very useful tool for your account managers and not having to comb through the haystack of people in your directory to figure out who they need to work with. So when you buy this tool, you'll get two things. You'll get the actual tool set itself in Excel, and then you get a user guide that walks you through the setup and the use of the tool. So that's our onboarding tool set. We hope you enjoy it, and we'll talk to you next time.